The following is a demonstration of the NT switch by DCR Innovations. We'll start by showing how the NT switch can be installed in place of a standard household light switch. Before you begin, make sure you turn the power off to the existing light switch. You can tell that you've turned the power off by trying the existing switch again. If the lights don't come on, you're ready to proceed. Remove the faceplate by unscrewing the two screws holding it in place. Then, unscrew the two screws holding the existing switch onto the switch box. Once done, you should be able to pull the existing switch out with two black wires still attached. The wires are held on by two screws on the side of the existing light switch. Loosen these to free the existing switch completely. Using Moret connectors, twist one of the black wires on your NT switch to each pre-existing wire. It doesn't matter which of the two black wires is connected to which. The green wire that's left is the ground wire and should be connected to the switch box with a screw found on the inside. Hold the end of the wire inside the screw head and tighten the screw around it. Press all of the wiring into the switch box and slide the NT switch in over top of it. Using the screws from the pre-existing light switch, mount the NT switch into place. Replace the existing faceplate over the NT switch for a finished look and turn on the power to the switch. Operating the NT switch is simple. Just move your hand within about an inch to turn on, and again to turn off. You can also use the NT switch in a multi-gang setup, as seen here. Outfit your home with NT switches today at DCRinnovations.com.